Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to set up a crypto payment gateway on your Squarespace site. Cryptocurrency is more than a trend, it's the future of payments. Accepting cryptocurrency payments provides numerous advantages, like lower transaction fees, faster processing, and access to a global customer base. First, select a compatible crypto payment processor. Popular choices include Coinbase Commerce and BitPay, each with unique features suited to different business needs. Now, create and set up your account with your chosen payment processor. Follow their instructions carefully to ensure everything is configured correctly. Next, we'll integrate the crypto payment gateway into your Squarespace site. This usually involves pasting a code snippet provided by your processor. Once integrated, configure your payment options in Squarespace. Adjust preferences like currency and payment types accepted. Now, it's time to test the payment gateway functionality. Make sure to simulate a transaction to confirm everything is working smoothly. Don't forget to update your site's content to promote crypto payments. Highlight this new payment option to attract tech-savvy customers. Lastly, we'll discuss common issues and troubleshooting tips. Stay ahead of potential problems to ensure a seamless user experience. In conclusion, integrating a crypto payment gateway can boost your business. As technology evolves, staying informed is crucial for your Squarespace site's success.